Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I will take your okay. So I will take your BSM theory. Okay. Preventive and social medicine theory I will be taking for now. So what did I teach you in the last class?
And primitive medicine.
Yeah, Parasun, read out.
Okay, ma'am. Primitive medicine is timeless. It has been truly said that medicine was conceived is sympathy and born out of necessity, and that the first doctor was the first man, and the first woman the first nurse. The prehistoric man, motivated by feelings of sympathy and kindness, was always at the behest of his uh, kindred, trying to provide relief in time of sickness and suffering since his knowledge was limited. The primitive man attributed disease and in fact all human suffering and other calamities to the words of God, the invasion of body by evil spirits, and the malevolent influence of stars and planets. The concept of disease in which the ancient man believes is known as the supernatural theory of disease. The supernatural theory of disease in which the primitive man believes is as new as today. For example, in India, one may still hear the talk of curing, curing snake bites by mantras. Diseases such as uh, leprosy are interpreted as being punishment for one's past sins in some cultures, although primitive man may be extinct. His progeny, the so-called traditional healers, are found everywhere. Finish, ma'am?
Finish? Okay,
Okay.
good. So now let me share with you on screen. I have Likisano already primitive. Can you see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No.
Itya?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So primitive medicine likhisa already. You have already written the primitive medicine. Now you write Indian medicine. Number B likha Indian medicine. Indian medicine here. I have marked just now. You write those lines. Gute to likhibo nalage. Write till there.
Screen অহা নাই।
Hmm? Screen অহা নাই নেকি?
আহিছে।
আহিছে এতিয়া, মেম।
Hmm.
মেম অকল মাৰ্ক
Okay.
কৰাখিনি লিখিম।
Ha. Actually, likha number Indian medicine. The medical systems that are truly Indian origin দুটা আছে Ayurveda আৰু Siddha system. ঠিক আছে? Ayurveda এতিয়াও মানে India, কিন্তু the Siddha system is mostly in areas of South India. South India বেছি systemটো use কৰা যায়। Okay. তাৰপিছত these systems differ very little both in theory and practice. Ayurveda by definition the meaning to কি হয় knowledge of life or the knowledge which life may be prolonged. আৰু it was given before the Vedic times about 5000 BC. Finish writing? Whole ne?
No.
You have seen in Indian medicine that it consists of two system of medicine, okay? That is truly Indian in origin. They are the Ayurveda system and second is the Siddha system, okay? And this Ayurveda is still practiced throughout India, whereas Siddha system is practiced mainly in the south, mainly in South India, okay? In the Tamil speaking areas. What is this? Tarpisod, after this, write this till here. Paragraph change change the paragraph and write. Okay, hygiene was given an important place in ancient Indian medicine. Okay, hygiene mane cleanliness. Okay, and the archaeological excavations mane findings. Okay, the archaeological said Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These were the two civilizations. Okay, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were the two civilizations. The Indus Valley. So after the findings, they have found out. The archaeologists have found out that was knowledge of sanitation. Okay, good water supply. These three things were observed in the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilization. These are the two civilizations, okay, and that is why it came to be known as the golden age of Indian medicine. It was in between 800 BC and 600 AD. 800 BC before Christ and 600 AD is anti-dominion. This is like a history. Okay, just like a history. Oh. Huh? Yes, Kwa? Yes. Oh. These are all included in your history, which you have studied in your school days. Okay. School days or already. So this is simple things that you need to know about the Indian medicine. So Indian medicine, the origin was from there. Okay, it didn't start now. Kintu, it was from the very beginning, from the ancient times.
Finish, ma'am.
All. Okay. So Itya, now you write down this. Itu likha. Change paragraph, change paragraph and write down the Indian system of Kotha pati asa. Don't talk, please. Indian system of medicine includes Unani tip aru homeopathy. Okay, which are very much still alive in India. Aru it became, in fact, it became one of the Indian culture, and it still continued to be an important source in the medical relief. Or some other medications are like Chinese medicine, Egyptian medicine, Greek medicine, Mesopotamian medicine, or Roman medicine. Just write down the names. Okay, it's not very much important to study about this in brief.
ওপৰখিনি বাকি আছিলে মেম অলপ
Oh, এইটো নালাগে বেছি lengthy হৈ যাব নহলে it will be too long ইমান দীঘল নালাগে
ওকে মেম মেম ওপৰখিনি অলপ বাকি আছিলে
whatever ইয়াৰ পৰা এইটো দিলো first paragraph তাৰ পিছত hygiene পৰা 600 AD এইটো নালাগে তাৰ পিছত এইটো last paragraph লিখা এতিয়া mudut nih kan itu Finish writing? You just need to know the names, okay? Other medicines,
No,
Indian, okay, Indian medicine number A tomorrow Indian medicine আছে তাৰপিছত Chinese medicine, Egyptian, Greek, Mesopotamian and Roman. It just লিখিলে হ'ল. You don't need to know in brief, okay? Indian medicine it will be enough to know only the Indian medicine. All this you can just know the names. That other medicines are also there. ইমান important নহয় এইকাৰণে দিয়া নাই itu dia
Ma'am, finish.
all okay etia actually kai bahut important hoy okay germ theory of disease this is very much important for your examer karone it's very important you first write down then I will explain write till here 1884 and so on write till here don't write these things no need to write Holne finish
No, ma'am.
finish writing
No, ma'am.
okay acha write fast
Screenshot. Belum बताया ingat dalam kelas untuk nanti tim tablet mana
don't talk please
maaf bertahan letih hui
please mute yourself kotha don't talk
leno nomor skur kan dadak malah sajur pion nomor pun oh ultimo kemudian oh begitu nih
Mhm.
क्या है
Like nuôi từ cross lên nó. Nuôi từ ông buru từ black phoebe. Từ bùng kran.
Oh, please mute yourself. Who is it? Don't talk. Finish, everyone.
No, ma'am.
No.
Please write fast. Gutti to likhibo nalage, okay? Write till diphtheria bacillus in 1884 and so on. Last line to nalage likhibo. All finished?
No, ma'am.
No.
Nai hua. So germ theory of disease, okay, it was a new theory, okay, and it was given by French bacteriologist. Bacteriologist means a person who studies about bacteria, okay. So the name of the bacteriologist was Louis Pasteur, okay, very important. It underline kora. French bacteriologist Louis Pasteur. It underline kora. It can come as fill in the blanks. It can come as multiple choice, anything. Our year hoy 1822 to 1895. Okay, what he found out was that all those primitive medicine, ঠিক আছে, আৰু the Indian medicine and some of the things they found out that it was just supernatural theory of disease. Okay, and some humors given by the Greeks and the Indians, and they have found out that whatever sicknesses was caused in the body was due to the presence of bacteria in air. They found out bacteria in air. Okay, and he disapproved the theory of spontaneous generation. All these theories theories ebur he disapproved. Okay, tar pisot in 1873 Pasteur, this Louis Pasteur, he advanced the germ theory of disease. Ako one more bacteriologist was there. His name was Robert Koch. Itu underline kora. Robert Koch in the year 1843 to 1910. What he found out? He found out that anthrax was caused by bacteria. Anthrax is a deadly disease that is caused, that is prevalent mostly to animals. Okay, so he found out that anthrax was also caused by bacteria. তাৰপিছত, the discoveries of this Pasteur, Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch confirmed the germ theory of disease. The germ theory of disease is mainly about the presence of bacteria in air. They found out bacteria because of which all these different kinds of diseases were prevalent because of all these horu gram negative and gram positive bacteria present in the air. Okay, so what they found out in gonococcus in 1847. Gonococcus is what? Anybody knows gonococcus?
No, ma'am.
They found out gonococcus. It's a disease. Okay, gonococcus, it is caused by gram negative bacteria. It is also caused by bacteria that are gram negative in nature. Okay, gram negative bacteria, and it causes gonorrhea. Okay, it is a bacteria, gonococcus. It a bacteria that causes gonorrhea. Our gonorrhea is what? It is mainly through STD, sexually transmitted disease. Okay,
Yes.
it is a bacteria that causes sexually transmitted disease, STD. I guess you have heard about STD. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so it was discovered, or it was found out in the year 1847. Okay, 1847. You have to know at years, you will have to know everything on the tip of your tongue. Okay, you should not forget. Tar pisot tumar typhoid bacillus. Typhoid to ki hoy? Typhoid is also caused by gram negative bacteria. Okay, and the name of the bacteria is Salmonella typhi. Okay, typhoid to disease hoy that is caused by gram negative bacteria, and the name of the bacteria is Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is the name of the bacteria that causes typhoid bacillus. Okay, etu hole ki hobo? Jor hobo, there will be fever, muror big, headache. Okay, durbol hoy jabo, weakness. Okay, constipation hobo. Okay, so all these are the signs and symptoms that you will get in a typhoid patient, or a person who is suffering from typhoid, and it is caused by Salmonella typhi, and it is a gram negative bacteria. Tarpisot tumor pneumococcus. Pneumococcus was discovered in the year 1880, and it was caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. The name of the bacteria is Streptococcus pneumonia. Okay, and it causes pneumonia. I guess you have heard about pneumonia.
Yes.
Anybody heard about pneumonia? Any idea? Pneumonia? শুনি থাকে ন pneumonia?
হয় মেম, উশাহ নিশাহ ভালকে ল'ব নোৱাৰে।
Yes, very good. আৰু
মেম চৰ্দি বেছিকে লাগিছে, উশাহ নিশাৰে প্ৰব্লেম হয়।
Yes.
Asthma.
Yes, sordi tordi. It is a respiratory disease, right? Cough, sneezing, ebur hobo. Aru especially bachchabur. Okay, especially children suffer. Children suffers from pneumonia most of the times during thanda season. Okay, during winter season. Okay, so it is pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. The name of the bacteria to ki hoy? Streptococcus pneumonia. Aru it causes ki pneumonia hole jor hobo, fever, তাৰ পিছত sweating খুব বেছি গামিব okay sweating হ'ব তাৰ পিছত তোমাৰ ear আৰু sinus infection এইবোৰ হ'ব পাৰে so this was discovered in the year 1880 all these are caused by bacteria okay তাৰ পিছত তোমাৰ হ'ল tubercle bacillus it was caused in the year 1880 it was discovered in the year 82 it causes tuberculosis okay next tomar cholera hoy cholera in the year 1883 aru last diphtheria okol eta hoy that is caused by gram positive A2 is caused by gram positive bacteria aru diphtheria hole ki hobo heart failure hobo para okay heart failure paralysis breathing difficulty okay aru last on it can lead to death of a person so all this was caused by the bacteria and it was found out by the two bacteriologists eta hoy tumar Louis Pasteur and the second one is Robert Koch Louis Pasteur in the year 1822 to 1895 Robert Koch in the year 1843 to 1910 did you understand Parishta
Yes, ma'am.
okay so now tell me okay so now tell me what is the germ theory of disease what do you understand by the germ theory of disease next class okay it's a remaining meeting time only 1 minute baki ase so tell me fast anybody who discovered the germ theory of disease what was the name of the bacteriologist jaldi kwa
Louis
say
Pasteur.
Ma'am,
first
Louis Pasteur.
Louis Pasteur.
yes very good and
Robert Koch.
aru one more
And
bacteriologist
Robert Koch.
yes Robert Koch okay aru streptococcus was discovered in the year kuntu year ot streptococcus
1880
aru cholera
Ma'am, cholera
Cholera.
1883.
okay aru diphtheria to gram positive ne gram negative bacteria hoy
Gram positive.
okay very good so thank you all of you muk attendance di diba
Okay, ma'am.
thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you ma'am